Today, I will not only help you relax and hypnotize yourself, but also give you post-hypnotic suggestions for ego strengthening. Ego strengthening is a useful intervention for management of depression. So you might find this helpful. So without further ado, let's start. Sit comfortably and take a deep, long, slow, gentle breath. Breathe in and out, taking deep, slow, long, gentle breaths. And continue to breathe slowly, deeply, and gently. Very soon, your entire body will relax completely as you continue to breathe in and out slowly, deeply, and gently. And now I will count from 1 to 10. And before you reach the count of 10, you will have relaxed so deeply that you will be resting in a deep hypnotic trance. When you hear the count 10, you will know that you're already in a deep hypnotic trance. 1. Just breathe very, very deeply, gently, in and out. And as you concentrate on my voice, you begin to relax. Relaxing very deeply as you continue to listen to my voice. 2. Your body is becoming heavy and you're sinking deeper and deeper into a deeply relaxed state. You begin to feel a heavy and a relaxing feeling come over you. Take you down, 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 deeper and deeper into a deeply relaxed state. And as you continue to listen to my voice, your arms are starting to relax. Your legs are relaxing more and more. Your entire body is relaxing more and more until it will become very, very deeply relaxed. And you will be resting in a deep hypnotic trance before you reach the number 10. 3. Continue to listen to my voice. And this heavy and relaxing feeling is increasing more and more with every breath. 4. You can feel that heavy and relaxing feeling increasing more and more as you continue to listen to my voice. And as I continue to count, with every count, that heavy and relaxing feeling will continue to increase more and more until it causes you to drift into a deep and pleasant hypnotic trance. 5. Just notice, progressively you're becoming more and more relaxed, more and more at ease, more and more at peace, more and more comfortable, so that when I reach the count of 10, you will be resting in a deep trance. 6. Just listen to my voice as I continue to count. And by the time I get to the count of 10, you will be resting in a deep and pleasant trance. 7. You're beginning to drift slowly into a deep, deep trance. 8. Just notice how you're becoming more and more comfortable, more and more at ease, more and more at peace, more and more deeply relaxed, so that when I reach the count of 10, you will be resting in a deep, deep trance. 9. And every time you breathe in and out, you're drifting slowly and gently into a deep and pleasant hypnotic trance. Drifting slowly into a deep and pleasant trance. 10. Drifting slowly into a deep trance as you continue to listen to my voice. As you continue to breathe in and out, drifting deeper and deeper, down and down, into a deep and pleasant trance. You are now in such a deep hypnotic trance that your mind and your body feel calm and peaceful. And now I'm going to help you feel even more relaxed. In order to do this, I'm going to count 1 to 5. When I reach the count of 5, at the count of 5, you will be resting in a deep, deep, very, very deep trance. 1. Just let yourself go. Just let yourself relax. 2. Not doing anything, not trying anything, just letting go. No efforts, effortless. 3. Becoming heavier and heavier, or lighter and lighter, sinking deeper and deeper into a deep, deep hypnotic trance. 4. At the same time feeling detached, very, very detached. Your whole body feeling completely detached, drifting into a deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper trance. 5. Letting yourself drift into a deeper and deeper trance, drifting deeper and deeper all the time as you continue to listen to my voice. You have now become so deeply relaxed, and you are in such a deep, deep trance that your mind and your body feel completely relaxed, completely at ease, completely at peace. And you begin to feel a beautiful sensation of peace and relaxation, tranquility and calm, flowing through your mind and body, giving you such a pleasant feeling, such a beautiful sensation that you feel completely relaxed, completely at ease. Your mind and your body feel completely relaxed and perfectly at ease, feeling peaceful, calm, comfortable, completely relaxed, totally relaxed, drifting into a deeper and deeper trance as you continue to listen to my voice. Just continue to enjoy these beautiful feelings. As you continue to enjoy this feeling of deep relaxation, I'm going to repeat some helpful and positive suggestions to you. And since you are very, very relaxed and in such a deep hypnotic trance, your mind has become so receptive to what I say, so that every suggestion that I give you will sink so deeply into the unconscious mind that they will begin to cause such a lasting impression there that nothing will eradicate them. These suggestions from within your unconscious mind will help you resolve your difficulties. They will help you with your thinking. They will help you to think more clearly, more objectively, more realistically, and more positively. They will help you with your feelings. That is, they will make you feel less anxious, less upset, less depressed. They will help you with your actions and your behaviors. They will help you to do more and more things that are helpful to you, and you will do less and less things that are not helpful to you. You are now so deeply relaxed. You are in such a deep hypnotic trance that everything that I say will happen to you for your own good, will happen more and more. And every feeling that I tell you that you will experience, you will begin to experience more and more. These same things will happen to you more and more often as you listen to the sound of my voice. And the same things will happen to you just as strongly, just as powerfully when you are at home or at work or at your institution or in any situation that you may find yourself in. You are now so deeply relaxed. You're in such a deep hypnotic trance that you're going to feel physically stronger and fitter in every way. At the end of the session, and every time you listen to this sound, you will feel more alert, more wide awake, more energetic. Every day as you learn to relax, you will become much less easily tired, much less easily fatigued, much less easily discouraged, much less easily upset, much less easily depressed. As you become more relaxed, less anxious, and less worried every day, you will begin to take more and more interest in whatever you are doing, in whatever is going on around you, that your mind will become completely distracted away from yourself. You will no longer dwell nearly so much on yourself and your difficulties, and you will become much less conscious of yourself, much less preoccupied with yourself and your difficulties, much less preoccupied with your own feelings, and much less preoccupied with what you think others think of you. As you become less preoccupied with yourself, less conscious of yourself, you will be able to think more clearly. You will be able to concentrate more easily. You will be able to give your whole undivided attention to whatever you're doing, to the complete exclusion of everything else. As a result of this new attitude, you will become emotionally less upset, less anxious, less agitated, and less depressed. Every day, you will begin to feel all these things happening more and more rapidly, more and more powerfully, more and more completely, so that you will feel much happier, much more contented, much more optimistic, and extremely relaxed in every way. And you will gradually become much more able to rely on, to depend on yourself, your own efforts, your own judgments, your own opinions. In fact, you will begin to feel much less need to depend on, to rely on other people. Now, for the next few moments, just let yourself relax completely and continue to feel this beautiful sensation of peace and relaxation, tranquility and calm, flowing through your entire body, giving you such a pleasant such a soothing sensation that you feel so good, so at ease, that you feel a sense of strong well-being. In a moment, when I count from 1 to 7, you will open your eyes and will be alert, without feeling tired, without feeling drowsy, without feeling sleepy. You will feel much better and feel this deep, pleasant, hypnotic experience. You will feel completely relaxed, totally and absolutely, mentally and physically, and you will feel confident both in yourself and your future. Now I shall count 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Open your eyes whenever you're ready, feeling relaxed, refreshed, and with a sense of well-being and happiness and joy and calm and tranquility.